Greetings from the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. My name is Susan Stevenson. Welcome to this meditation for self-appreciation and the restoration of your universal well-being. The purpose of this meditation is to focus and relax your mind so you can better contemplate and appreciate yourself. This can help you to increase your happiness. At the end of this meditation, you may choose to drift off to sleep or return to your day. I invite you to sit or lie in a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. You may choose to place a pillow behind your head and perhaps another under your knees for support. When you have settled, I encourage you to drop your gaze or close your eyes and turn your focus to your breath. Feel the air being drawn in through your nose or mouth and then gently breathed out. Breathe in your normal rhythm. Breathing in to nourish the cells throughout your body, and then breathing out to expel tension. Feel the air coming in through your nose or mouth, and then moving to your chest, and then broadening your stomach. When you breathe out, feel the air leaving those parts of your body. Feel your stomach relaxing, your chest lowering, and then the air passing out through your nose or mouth. See yourself listening and lying comfortably. You can hear a storm outside. You can hear the wind and the rain. If you find thoughts entering your mind and interrupting your focus on your breath, imagine that they are like a leaf on a path outside. You can watch them in your mind and see these leaves simply being blown away, and then you can return your focus to your breath. Begin now to slow your breath. Let your breaths out be longer than your breaths in. This will slow your heart rate and your sense of relaxation. Breathing in and then breathing out slowly. Breathing in and then breathing out slowly. One of the ways you can increase your appreciation of yourself is through the words that you say within your mind and out loud. Recall now an achievement in your life. Maybe you have overcome big challenges. Maybe you are doing very well at work. Maybe you have wonderful friends or family. Maybe you are increasing your fitness and sleeping well. Formulate a compliment in your mind. A compliment that will show your appreciation for this achievement. Give that compliment to yourself. Let yourself hear that compliment. Let yourself absorb it. Now say your compliment out loud. Does it sound different when you can hear it? I encourage you to say it once more out loud, and as you do, feel your body being warmed by the compliment and the recognition it has just received for an achievement. Be your best friend. Keep slowly breathing in and then breathing out fully. Try to make the transition from breathing in to breathing out smooth. You consider another way you can appreciate yourself. You could give yourself things that you need. Rest when you are tired. Sleep when you need to heal and recover. Or relaxation as another way to appreciate your own efforts. You can also give quality time to seeing your own beauty and talents. Consider the talents that you have. Consider the curves of your face and the texture and colour of your hair. Each part of you is created from thousands of unique cells that have joined up to make the miracle that is you. Now place your hands on your ribs. Begin to notice that as you breathe in and the air moves past your nose or mouth, how it lifts your chest and your hands can feel it broadening your stomach. Notice how when this breath leaves, that your stomach relaxes and your chest lowers, and you can feel the warmth of the air passing out through your nose or mouth. Consider what other ways you can appreciate yourself. Are there gifts you could give to yourself? Perhaps there are gifts you withhold from yourself. I encourage you to move and stretch out fully and enjoy the feeling of release that comes from a long, slow stretch. Does moving give you pleasure? Is it a gift? Is there a smell that you love? Perhaps the way the air smells after the rain stops. Or maybe there's a food smell or a perfume that you love. Take a moment to dwell on the smell and the pleasure that it gives you. Give yourself the time to imagine breathing that smell in and then reluctantly letting it go. You can still hear the storm outside, but you feel safe and warm. Another gift you consider giving to yourself is your favorite food. You think for a moment about a beautiful taste that you enjoy. You think of enjoying it again. You consider how this food feels in your mouth, its texture, and how delicious it tastes. You remember how it last felt in your mouth and how you wanted that burst of flavour to continue. You notice now that the storm is dying down, and as it becomes quieter, you can hear your breath coming into your body and then very slowly leaving. As each breath slowly leaves, you identify another thing that you appreciate about yourself. Perhaps it is the way you can slow your breath and heart rate and calm yourself down, or the way your mind contemplates and solves challenges you meet in your life. You might notice how your skin looks against different coloured clothing and how some colours highlight your eye colour. You then recall the different decisions you have made and how beautifully so many have worked out. You also think about the information that your feelings give you and how they guide you. Now, as you breathe regularly, you can feel the surface under your body supporting and holding you, like hands holding a precious object. You relax into the surface. Your body is calm and heavy now. You make a promise to yourself that you will give yourself time to compliment yourself at least once a day, and that you deserve to have this quality time to meet your needs, to be appreciated, for rest, to sleep, relax, and nourish your body with food. Then, as you breathe out, you imagine all the tension leaving your face and the muscles softening and resting. You consider gifts you could freely give to yourself to show your appreciation to yourself each day. They might be gifts for your mind, or gifts for your body, or gifts for your spirit. You consider those that restore you to yourself and that give you energy and pleasure. Like the landscape outside, you plan to weave these gifts for yourself into each of the days ahead. Now you feel positive, rested, calm, and happy. You sink more deeply into breathing softly and rhythmically. If you would like to drift off to sleep, just stop this meditation now. If you would like to gradually return to your day, begin by wriggling your toes and fingers. Then begin to gently move your arms and legs. Gradually open your eyes fully and bathe in the rest that you have just given yourself. Take in the space you are in and begin to get up and gradually return to your day. I invite you to regularly move and listen to this meditation for self-appreciation and the restoration of universal well-being again. Repeating this meditation will give you more benefits over time. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy your sleep or day.